Just like the French have a fine taste for wine and the Germans a penchant for details, the Mizos have a fine taste for music. The immense popularity of music as a way of life and also as an art form in Mizoram can be known from the fact that music comes naturally to the Mizos. In this episode, we bring up a vibrant personality who has repeatedly charmed the Chin-Kuki Mizo group of people. It is his soothing melody that stirs up strong patriotic feeling with a sense of identity. We follow him to Aizawl, the capital city of Mizoram, where as many as 15 full-fledged recording studios were doing thriving business and over 100 music albums released annually. He is Thangjamang Maneithangja Kipgen, the recipient of the prestigious Enjakub Award for Best Lyricist in Patriotic category.
Perched on the high hills of northeastern India, Mizoram stands as a mecca of music for the Chin-Kuki Mizo group of people. Traditional Mizo tunes are soft, gentle, and have a soothing effect on the weary soul. Thangjamang Maneithangja Kipgen, the folk singer well known for his patriotic songs while on his way to Aizawl, say music always has a transforming effect and should be exploited for good effect.
For me, life without music is impossible. And music always has a transforming effect. Just as music can rejuvenate the tired souls, it can also inspire people to stand up for a cause and love one another. Through my songs, I have always pushed the ideas of patriotism and love for all humanity.
The state of Mizoram, having overcome insurgency in the 1980s, has progressed. Peace is now the base for every activity of life. Quite significantly, in one of the rooms of this mall, Thangjamang finds his favorite singer working on her latest cut. To many cultures, music is intertwined into their way of life, and the Chin-Kuki Mizo group of people are one such. Though unorganized, the music scene in Aizawl is variant and kicking with its persuasive influence cutting across geographic boundaries. Mang, as he is known amongst his friends, has written a number of folk songs that continue to inspire youths with its musical composition, creative style, and most importantly, for the sense of patriotism reflected in his lyrics.
I believe every one of us should seek our own roots and cling to it. All the lyrics in my songs are inspired by my work for Chin-Kuki Mizo identity.
In recognition for his inspiring lyrics, he was conferred the prestigious Enjakub Award for Best Lyricist in Patriotic category 2006 Kut, the biggest festival of the Chin-Kuki Mizo people held across Mizoram and Manipur.
Yo